Good morning mga matyagang mag-aaral ng mathematics. Narito po tayong muli upang matuto. Our topic for today is all about solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots, factoring, completing the squares, and by using the quadratic formula. Alright, solving quadratic equation by extracting square roots. The square root property. For any real number c, if x squared equals c, then x equals positive square root of c or x equals negative square root of c. There are two square roots of a positive number. Quadratic equations in the form x squared equals c can be solved by applying the following property. Number 1, if c greater than 0, then x squared equals c has two real solutions or two real roots, that is x equals positive and negative square root of c. For example, x squared minus 16 equals 0. So what we are going to do is transform this equation of the form x squared equals c. X squared, ilipat yung negative 16 sa right side, it becomes positive 16. So 16 now is greater than 0. Our c is 16. Then, get the square root of the equation both sides. So, square root of x squared is x. The square root of 16, positive and negative 4. Another example. X squared equals 81. So this equation is already of the form x squared equals c. Our c is 81, which is greater than 0. So, rewrite x squared equals 81, then kunin yung square root nito kabilaan. So, square root of x squared is x, then square root of 81, positive and negative 9. Okay. So, another example, if c is greater than 0. Okay, 2x squared minus 8 equals 0. Okay, transform this equation of the form x squared equals c. So, 2x squared, ilipat yung negative 8, maging positive 8 na siya. Then, divide both sides by 2. Whatever the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term, if the numerical coefficient is 2, we divide this both sides by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is x squared na lang. Understood na yung x squared natin, yung kanyang numerical coefficient ay 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, rewrite x squared equals form, kunin yung square root kabilaan, square root of x squared is x. Then square root of 4, positive and negative 2. So, there are two solutions, the positive 2 and negative 2. Okay. Okay, another example class. 2x squared minus 16 equals 0. Transform this equation of the form x squared equals c. 2x squared, ilipat yung negative 16, magiging positive 16 na. So, of the form na siya dito, no? Our c is 16 and 16 is greater than 0. Then, divide both sides by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1, x squared na lang. or simply cancel, natira x squared na lang. Then 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, rewrite x squared equals 8. Kunin yung square root both side. Square root of x squared is x. And square root of 8, 8 is not a perfect square number. So, anong gagawin natin? We're going to find the factors of 8 na dapat yung isang factor ay perfect square. Ano yung factors ng 8? That is 4 times 2. Okay, the square root of 4 is positive and negative 2, then square root of 2. So, this is now the solution. The positive 2 is square root of 2 and the negative 2 is square root of 2. The solutions is irrational. Okay, another property. FC equals 0. Then, x squared equals c has only one solution. For example, x squared equals 0. Kunin yung square root kabilaan, square root of x squared is x. Square root of 0 is 0. Since 0 times 0 equals 0. So there is only one solution. If c equals 0. The solution is only 0. Okay, next property. If c less than 0, then x squared equals c has no real solution. For example, x squared plus 2 equals 0. Okay, rewrite. Ilipat yung positive 2 sa right side, magiging negative 2. So, x squared equals negative 2. Kunin yung square root kabilaan. Square root of x squared is x. And the square root of negative 2 cannot be determined. Even if you are using calculator to calculate the square root of negative 2, it is syntax error. So, no solution at all.